Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this Frosty Snow White bracelet. This is a match to the earrings that I showed you in my previous video. So if you follow those two videos, and I will link here at the top corner to this video for the earrings, you will make a beautiful set for present for yourself, and it looks really nice. I will show you really easy step-by-step how to make this bracelet, and I'm sure at the end of these tutorials you will be able to make it. So if you want to support me and make me do more tutorials, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And it's also a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my next videos that are absolutely free. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are 6mm beads or pearls, and I'm using 11/0 seed beads in two colors, silver and white, and I'm using 8/0 beads again in white and silver, and here I'm using also 6/0 beads, and I'm using size 10 beading needle, a clasp. Here this is a lobster's claw. You could use flat nose pliers to attach your clasp, but I will show you another way, so they are not obligatory. And I'm using fireline, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I'm using scissors, of course. And now I will take about 4 feet of thread on my needle. This is about 1.2 meters, and I will be back. Okay guys, and now I have thread on my needle, and I will take one of my beads. I will slide it down, and I'm going to take 7 of these beautiful seed beads. Okay, I have my 7, and I will hold my tail thread here, and I will go back in circle through the same bead. Okay, here is what I have, and I will repeat the same thing from the other side. Okay, I have 7 beads here, and I'm going back in circle through the same bead here from its other side. Okay, now I have 14 beads, and I want to add 2 more seed beads, and I will make 16 in total. Okay, now I'm taking just 1 seed bead, and I'm going through those beads here. Then I'm going through all of my beads in this direction. Okay, I'm exiting here. Now I need 1 seed bead, and I'm going through the other 7 beads. And now I'm here where my tail thread is. And now I'm going to make a knot here, okay? And I'm making a loop, and I'm going twice through the loop I've made. And then I pull. Okay, here is what I have here. Pulling tight, and I will go through some beads in this direction. Okay guys, now I will continue adding white beads of this 8/0. Okay, I'm taking 1 bead, and as I'm exiting from this silver, I'm going through the previous one, and through this one I'm exiting out of, back in circle. And what I have here is something like a loop between this 8/0 and these 2 silver beads. Okay, and I'm pulling. Then I'm going through the next 2 beads, and what I want to do is take 1 8-0 and go back in circle through these 2 silvers here. Then I'm going through my next 2 silver beads, taking just 1 8-0 in white color and going through these 2 beads back in circle. Here is what I do again. 2 beads away, and now guys, I'm going to repeat this 4 more times and I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. And now guys, this is what I have. Now I'm going through these 2 silvers here, then I'm going back through these white beads, and now I will start adding more and more beads. First I will take 1 silver bead and I'm going through this next white bead. I'm stepping up in my next row, and now I need 1 6-0 bead and I'm going through this white bead here. Then I need 1 silver, going through this one here, then 1 6-0, going through here, one silver, and I'm alternating until the end of this row. One white and 1 silver. Okay, now this is what I have, and I will go also through these 2 beads. I will take 3 silvers and I will go back through this in circle through this 6-0, and now I have this, and I'm going through those beads here, and I will take 3 more silvers and I'm going back through this one, and my goal is to exit out of my next one, then through this one here, three beads, going back in circle. Okay, exiting out of my next 6-0, 3 beads, and going back just like that. And now in my next step I might want to go reinforcing this part because it's loose. Okay, and I will do this off camera and I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and I went around one more time around this row here, and now what I want to do is go through my 6-0 just like that. Then I'm going through these silver beads, through all of them, back in this direction. And here what I want to take are 2 silvers and 1 white bead. Okay, I have it here, and I'm going through this one. Then the other way around, 1 white and 2 silvers, and I'm going through these beads here. Okay, and through this silver here, and now I need 2 silvers and 1 white bead, going here, and then 1 white bead and 2 silvers, and I'm going through here, and then the other way around, 2 silvers, 1 white, 1 white, 2 silvers, 2 silvers, 1 white. Here next to the silver I always have white, and I will finish it and I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and here I'm adding my last beads, and now what I need to do is to attach my clasp here, okay? And in order to do this, I will take 1 seed bead, then I will take my clasp and go through it, and then I will take 1 more seed bead, and I'm going back in circle through this middle bead where I'm exiting out of. I'm going through this middle bead here where I added 3 beads. I'm going through the middle one of them, okay? And now I'm going to reinforce this part and make some knots here. Okay, and I reinforce this part, and I will find a place where to make a knot, okay? Let's say here between those 2 beads, okay? And what I do is that I make a loop, and I go once, and then I go second time through the loop I've made, and I pull, and I will repeat this several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Okay guys, and what I did here is a second element. Okay, this is my first one and this is my second one, and here I still haven't cut my thread, and I'm exiting here from my middle bead, the one in the center. Here I have 1 2 3 beads, 1 2 3 beads, okay? And now I want to connect this element to this one, and in order to do this I will take a silver bead. Here it is, and I will go through this middle one from my previous element. Again, if you're not sure which one is the middle one, just count 3 beads from this side and 3 from this side, and go through the middle, through the one in the middle, then pull, okay? Now you see this is what I have, and I will take 1 more silver bead and I will go in circle through this one here, okay? And now I will go a few times reinforcing this part. Okay guys, and now when I reinforce this part, it's time to make some knots. Okay, and I'm coming here, let's say here, and I'm making a loop, going once and going a second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, then going through my next bead, and I will continue making more and more knots here. And when I feel ready, I will cut my thread, and then I will make another element connected the same way, another one, and for my wrist I need 6 elements, and when I'm ready with them I will be back to tell you how to finish your bracelet. Okay guys, and when I continue adding more and more elements the same way I showed you, now I have 6 elements, and my bracelet is long enough for my wrist. And now I want to attach my jump ring, and in order to do this I will take 5 seed beads, okay, and I will take my jump ring, and you could attach it with your pliers. First make a loop and then attach it, but now I will do it this way. Okay, so I'm sliding those down, And here you see, when I attach this element, I go all the way around to its other part, and here where my middle bead is, so here I have 3 beads and 3 beads, and I'm exiting out of here, and I'm making something like a loop, and I am attaching my drum ring here. And now I will go around several times here. Okay, and now it's time to make some knots, and in order to make my knots, I will go out of here and I will make a loop, and I'm going once, then I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Okay, and now this is what I have, and I might want to repeat this. Okay, I'm going once, I'm going second time, and I will do this several more times. And when I'm ready, I will cut my thread, but remember, never cut next to a knot, always go through the next bead and then cut your thread. Okay guys, and now my bracelet is almost ready. Okay guys, and now my bracelet is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment. And don't forget to check the matching earrings to this bracelet. Okay, and make a beautiful set for presents or for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to support me and make me do more videos, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Bye bye from me.